Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a video review for the Kamrui Mini PC. This particular build of this Kamrui Mini PC actually has a Celeron processor in it, and I'm going to actually go through in this video, walk you through the actual computer itself. We'll go through the login process, talk a little bit about what's inside the box, and just really go through everything, and I'll give you my general thoughts. So let's actually start with what's inside the box. So this is the actual PC itself. You have this really cool kind of copper design that kind of goes all throughout, so I'll actually lift it up here just so you can see a better angle of this. On the side here you have 3 USB ports, your power button here, and then on the back side you have 2 HDMI ports, an Ethernet port, you have your microphone, there is a lock mechanism here, and then you have an additional USB port as well as your power output. So the power output actually goes into a standard brick that you just have here plugged into the wall. Unlike a laptop charger, something like this where it's like a separate brick, I do like that it has that single brick that you just plug right in. It has a little warning here on the front that says if you can't log in during boot, basically you just want to make sure you turn off Wi-Fi and LAN and then skip that option to be able to log in. Now in terms of the box itself and what it came with, this actually comes with an additional USB cable. You also have a mount that includes screws, and this can be used to wall mount this. So if you had a place, like let's say I wanted to like wall mount it up here or something like that, I could do that. It does come with an instruction manual kind of going through everything that you need to know about all the different pieces. It has this in multiple languages, really goes through all the different components and everything that you need to know about the computer. So I've already booted it up here, and I'm basically sitting at the home page here. I do apologize, I have a little bit of sun because this particular window does not have any curtains. So we're just gonna say yes for English, and I'm gonna walk through this and we'll kind of jump into it. So I'm in the US, we're gonna do US keyboard. We're gonna skip a second keyboard layout. So it has me put in my name. And I actually just left the password blank. We'll just do next. And it looks like we're pretty much already in Windows. So this is actually going pretty quick in terms of boot up. I believe most of these Kamrui PCs do come preloaded with Windows 11. So this is gonna be really great if you're just looking for like a mini PC that isn't something that's gonna take up a whole lot of space. As you can see here, my mouse pad is actually almost twice the size of the actual computer. So it says it's going to take a few minutes not to turn off the PC. I do have another Kamrui PC that's a little bit more powerful than this one, and I've actually been very happy with their brand. Haven't had any issues, anything going wrong in terms of like thermals. I was even gaming on one of them and didn't have any issues whatsoever. It was more of just, you know, kind of taking it to its limits in terms of what it can do performance-wise. This particular model is one of their lower grade kind of entry-level models, so you probably will struggle a little bit more with something like gaming on this, but it would be really good for just basic desktop use, whether or not it's doing email, web browsing, maybe some basic editing, things like that you could do with this little mini PC. I even thought about using it as an alternative to a laptop, and that way I could just put this somewhere that I know I'm traveling to. I have a friend that consistently travels to his parents' place up on like the Cape, and basically he'll always bring his laptop, but he's always going to the same spot. And I said to him, you know, you could take something like this up there, leave it there, and then just set up a little monitor on your desk, and you wouldn't have to like bring it back and forth. Or if you wanted to, you could easily pack this away in like a backpack or something like that. So this is still going through the initial boot phase, but overall, just from initial glance, I'm happy with this in terms of the specs, what it comes with for USB drives. I don't want to sit too long and just wait because I don't know how long this will take to boot, but you guys have a pretty good idea of what to expect with this PC. I think if you're looking for something like this, definitely would be a good bet and worth checking out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.